How to fix Outlook hanging issue on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Outlook hanging issue on Android phone. First open Play Store and here type Outlook and check if there's any update for Microsoft Outlook here, and then just update it, and after that click settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again and here type Outlook and click force stop, go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, but if that doesn't fix your problem, now restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.